When I was training as an electrician, a senior lecturer shared a fascinating tale from his days at the local electricity board. He once dealt with a couple who reported electric shocks emanating from the walls of their bedroom. Intrigued, inspectors were dispatched to investigate. Miraculously, everything was perfect, no faults found. Yet the couple was adamant. The shocks occurred precisely above the bedside lights. Every cable and fitting went under the microscope, but still, nothing explained the phenomenon. As the investigation tightened around a specific section of wall, a keen observer finally made a crucial connection. The couple's bed was dressed in nylon sheets. Their repeated movements were generating an extraordinary static charge, not from the wiring, but from themselves. When they touched the wall, their bodies discharged to earth. In the end, one final detail illuminated the situation. The couple had only been married a few months.